Welcome technicians. Today we look into the workflow in our laboratory. So this will be the first class for the newly joined technician as well as a series of NABH related education for the technicians. So once you open our hospital information system, this is the home page. So immediately you have to take this square button and go to the specimen receive and in that specimen collection. So as you know, all the OPD samples are collected at the ground floor sample collection area between morning 8 o'clock to evening 7 o'clock. So if at all, if any sample comes in from the OPD basis in the night, it will be directly sent to the third floor lab for collection. So all the IP collections are done by the nurses, and from the IP it is directly sent to the lab, and all these will be coming in the specimen collection lab. In this both IP and OP will be sitting. So all these are samples that needs to be collected. So there is no sample collection has not yet been happened. Okay, so once the sample is collected, so if it is a ground floor, then it will come directly to the department wise receive. If it is coming to the third floor lab directly, then we collect it and it will come to the specimen department wise receive. Okay, so once it is received, immediately from the specimen department wise, it will come to result entry. So in the result entry, you have to open it up and you enter the reports. Enter the values. So once a sample entry is done, it will directly go to the approval. So once it is approved, approval is done by the technicians as well as by the consultant doctors. So once it is approved, it will be seen by all the staff in the hospitals. So like respective nursing stations and OPD and all, it will be seen. So then after that you can take a printout. So you go to the lab to print, and then you select whichever which needs to be printed. So this is the printing which you can do. Okay, if it is a sample that is being coming for the microbiology, then from the department wise receive, it will directly go to the culture microbiology, and in that also again you have to enter the values, and then it will come for the approval. Once you approve, it will be available for the print. Similarly, if it is a histopathology and pathology samples from the department wise receive, it will directly go to pathology, and then you to enter it, you approve it, and then you can take a print once it is done. So this is the flow in our laboratory. So first the sample comes to the specimen collection, you receive it, and then it will come to the result entry. So you enter it, you approve it, and you can take a print. If it is a microbiology, then from the department wise receive, it will directly go to the entry, cultural entry, and then approval, and then print. If it is a histopathology, again from the department receive, it will directly go to the pathology. Then you enter, you approve it, and then you take a print. So this is the workflow in our laboratory. So hope you are able to catch the workflow in our laboratory. So thank you.